What's up, everybody? This is Chad from the Mini Bike Builders Guild. I'll make a little bitty video here to show you just how to improve your stock spark. So the first thing you're going to want to do, pull all this stuff back, okay? Cut it right there. I know you're freaking out, but there's no need to. I really don't even think you need this. Just need to grab the boot. Now grab the boot. Try to push this down, but the boot has to come, or the wire has to come through the boot. So I like to shorten this up a bit. I just cut through there like that. Okay, so the wire has to go through this boot first. So that's why I don't expose the wire first. Actually, a little spit on it. Like most things, it helps lube. Okay, so sometimes when they get a little stubborn, you get you some needle nose pliers, grab that wire. It's easier said than done. Here we go. Okay, so now once we have that, we can expose the wire. So we'll take our strippers here, probably one of the middle ones, cut it like that, just as long as it folds over the top like that. Okay, that's all you're after, like that. All right, so now what you want to do is find the basic relax point, which mine is right there. Get everything squared up, get your wire. Now you take your little piece here. Okay, you want to put it in there just like that, but you want that wire to be touching the top. Okay, so we're going to put that in there, twist it back around. Okay, we're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch before the circle, and we're going to dig one of these in first, literally dig it in there. Okay, like that, then squeeze sideways to tighten it up. And you're just going to kind of work it around, okay, until it's tight, and then dig them in, dig in your spikes there. Okay, get it flat again. So now here's the trick. This is when you need a torch lighter and some decent solder. I think this is 6040 something. It's RC solder. It's the best flowing stuff around. So basically I just take a little ball of it, make a little ball, about like that or so. Okay, now I'm going to drop it down in there and squish it against that wire. Okay, so what this will do is prevent your wire from arcing to the clamp and then arcing inside the engine. So you'll just have one arc. So just take this thing, get your torch going, stay up high, let that shit melt right in there. Once it flows on there like that, you are golden. No arc, straight up spark. So then pull your boot back through. Just make sure you get it twisted back to the relax point. Actually, when you're done, you're good to go. Go ahead and stick it back on there and you're good to go.